Hello students, today I'll explain the structure of cobalt carbonyl. So in cobalt carbonyl we are discussing about dicobalt octacarbonyl. So you can see the chemical formula CO2CO8. So 2 times CO is present, so we are writing dicobalt, and 8 times carbonyl group is present, so octacarbonyl. Okay, this is about the name of the cobalt carbonyl. Now you can see the electronic configuration. According to X-ray diffraction studies, the cobalt in the structure involves in DsP3 hybridization, and shape of the CO, shape of the structure is trigonal bipyramidal structure. So you can see here cobalt atomic number 27. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d7, 4s2. So ground state I am writing here 3d7, 4s2, and 4p is empty. So in excited state, one electron from 4s will jump to next level, that is 4p. So we can see here 4s is jumping, one electron from 4s is jumping to 4p. Okay, now in hybridization, 1d orbital from 3d and 1s orbital from 4s and 3p orbitals from 4p involves in the hybridization to form dsp3 hybridization. So in dsp3 hybridization, we can observe the structure trigonal bipyramidal structure. So now remaining two orbitals involves in metallic bond formation and pi bond formation. So you can see here these two are not involved in the hybridization. Remaining all these orbitals, 5 orbitals involved in hybridization. So this unpaired electron involves in CO-CO metallic bond. You can see here CO-CO metallic bond. Okay. Next, here one CO group which is having two electrons, pair of electrons will donate one unpaired electron to this orbital and one unpaired electron to this orbital, which is not involved in the hybridization. So this is forming pi bond, this is forming sigma bond. You can see clearly this bond formation. Okay, next CO group which is having two electrons with it will donate one electron to 4s and one electron to other CO group. Here bridge is there, no? One electron will be donated to this CO and one electron will be donated to other CO. Okay, this C. This C is involved in the bond formation. It donates one electron to this CO and one electron to this CO. And next CO also donates one electron to the 4p unpaired electron of CO and one more electron to the other CO. One electron to this CO and one more electron to that CO. So these two are involved in sigma bond formation, that too in bridge formation. Okay. Next, coming to next two orbitals of CO groups. In CO groups, you can observe two electrons with each. So it donates two electrons to this empty orbital to form a dative bond. It also donates two electrons to this empty orbital to form dative bonds. These two are dative bonds now. Okay, this is for one cobalt structure, and you can draw the same structure for other cobalt also. So it is forming two trigonal bipyramidals. These two trigonal bipyramidals are attached through bridge between the two CO groups. Okay, and you can observe 6 terminal CO groups, okay, which are present at the edge. These three are called as the terminal CO groups, and whatever two are present in between, they are called bridged CO groups. 2 bridged CO groups and 6 terminal CO groups. Okay, this is about the structure of dicobalt octacarbonyl. Next, let us see about metallocenes. Okay, these are the organometallic compounds where the metal ion is bonded with organic compound which is having a pi bond. Okay, here metal is having a vacant d orbital, and this vacant d orbital is filled by the electrons of pi bonded unsaturated carbon compound. Pi bonded unsaturated carbon compound. Okay, so let us see the definition. Organometallic compounds are transition metals ion with pi bonded carbon compound through coordinate covalent bond. Here to the metal atom, these two rings are donating electrons, so it is a coordinate covalent bond. Vacant d orbitals of metal overlaps with the pi electron cloud of unsaturated carbon compound. Okay, so here this vacant d orbital of metal is overlaps with pi electrons of this unsaturated carbon compound. Now let us see the example. Ferrocene. This ferrocene can be written as bis cyclopentadienyl iron 2. Bis means 2. 2 times cyclopentadienyl anion is present. Cyclopentadienyl iron oxidation state is 2. So we are mentioning the oxidation state 2 in the bracket. So this is the IUPAC name of the ferrocene. Ferrocene is common name. IUPAC name is bis cyclopentadienyl iron 2. Okay. So you can see clearly this cyclopentadienyl anion, cyclic ring, penta. So 5 times carbon is present, penta. Diene, 2 double bonds are present. So diene, dienyl, so negative charge, anion. Okay, so you're understanding the name of the ring here. This ring is a cyclic ring, so we are naming with cyclo, and 5 times the carbon atoms are present. So in the ring 5 carbon atoms, so we are giving the name penta. 2 double bonds are present, so diene, dienyl, anion, negative charge indicates anion. So in this ring you can observe there are 6 electrons. So this pi bond indicates 2 electrons, this pi bond indicates 2 electrons, and the negative charge along with carbon 1 more electron. So carbon valency you already know, carbon valency is 4. So it has 1 more electron with it, and negative charge together indicates the 2 electrons in this ring. Totally 6 electrons are present in the ring. So this entire double bond formation can be represented with a round symbol in the ring with a negative charge at the center. So this ring is similar to this structure now. So now we can calculate the EAN rule of this structure of ferrocene. So by adding the pi electrons in the rings and by adding the electrons present in the metal, we can calculate the EAN. So 2 into 6, so each ring donates 6 electrons, so 2 times the rings are present. So 2 into 6 plus 26 is the atomic number of the iron, and oxidation state plus 2, so we are subtracting that value. 26 minus 2 equals to G. G is a noble gas configuration. So here 2 into 6 means 12, 26 minus 2 means 24 equals to G. So 36 we are getting, that is a krypton electronic configuration. So it is accepting the EAN rule. So it is a stable structure now. So this is about metallocenes with a ferrocene example.